Welcome. Let's look at this just some few seconds. Bring in your powers of algebraic extraction. Simplify 1 on x minus 3 minus 3 into bracket x minus 1 all divided by x squared minus 9. Now, if you are dealing with algebraic fractions, you just need to know the LCM of your denominators. By looking at the second denominator, x squared minus 9, it's the perfect square. So we can rewrite this as 1 over x minus 3, 3x minus 1. This is the difference of two squares, right? So x minus 3, x plus 3 to factorize the denominator. Now what do? We look for the LCM. And the second fraction denominator has everything that the first fraction denominator have. So your LCM is going to be x minus 3, x plus 3. So therefore, this denominator will be divided by x minus 3. Division, it will cancel itself, remaining x plus 3 times 1, x plus 3. Then this minus, when this divide this, it becomes 1. Then 1 multiply 3, x minus 1 all squared. So now let's simplify the numerator. This becomes x minus 3, I think it's plus, right? Minus 3 times x, minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 1, plus 3, divided by x minus 3, x plus 3, right? Let's simplify further. This is x minus 3x. That should be giving you minus 2x. 3 plus 3 should give you 6x. Maintain your denominators as x minus 3, x plus what? 3. Now, if you look at the numerator, we can still factorize, right? If I factorize, what am I going to factorize? Let's see. Let me factorize the 2 out, right? If you take away the 2, just 2 as a common factor, I should be having, okay, 2 as a common factor. Will that be minus x? Okay, so let's make it common factor to be minus 3. Let's see. Minus 2. Let's pick minus 2 outside and see what the factors will be. So what multiply this to give us this? That will be x alone. Then we are having positive 6 and we are picking minus 2 at common factor. So 6 divided by minus 2 will give you minus 3. So we have minus 3 divided by x minus 3, x plus what? 3. So you can see the term in the bracket for the numerator have a common factor with this. So they will cancel, leaving minus 2 on x plus what? 3. Simple. Now this is not the only way by which we can get to this. We can also have the 6 coming first before the minus 2. Factorize and you still have to get to the same place. Let me see the way you will get to solve this in the comment section as we keep on learning together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.